The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dover Police Department. About 10 minutes ago, there have been reports of an explosion at the Dover Air Force Base. The Dover Police Department, as well as the Dover Fire Department, are asking all residents to keep away from the Air Force Base. Please tune into news stations for more information on this developing situation.
Good afternoon. We had just received word that there was some kind of explosion at the Air Force Base by the city of Dover. It is unknown what caused the explosion. Many people have claimed that it was a bomb that was dropped, but that is unknown at this moment. At the scene is my correspondent Tom. Tom, are you there?
I'm here. We're at a far enough distance to where we can see the fire. People are freaking out as they have no idea on what just happened. Many people were seen running away from this fire. It is absolute chaos down here. We will try to stay down here as The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the Dover Police Department. This is an update to the explosion at the Dover Air Force Base. Around 5 minutes ago, the Federal Emergency Management Agency has made a possible discovery. There was a found part of an object at the scene of the fire. The FEMA is ruling this as a possible bomb that was dropped on the Air Force Base. If it is a bomb, then this is a possible attack on the United States. But it can't be confirmed at this moment. For your safety, please remain in your homes. If you are outdoors, find the nearest building. Please tune into news stations for more information on the situation. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable stations will transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is ABC 6. We will continue to serve the Dover area. If you are not in this local area, tune to news stations for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Dover area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. Around 4 minutes ago, there have been reports of more explosions across the nation. The Federal Emergency Management Agency has ruled the object as a bomb. In addition, these are Chinese jets that have been dropping these bombs on different Air Force bases. If you are anywhere near an Air Force base, turn around and get as far away from it as possible. If you do not, you are putting your life in danger. For those that are in a building, either shelter in place, or move to an underground shelter now. If you are going to an underground shelter, take important supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and a battery or hand-cranked radio, preferably one with alert indicators. Please tune into news stations for more information on this dangerous situation.
Waves 2 feet or less. Tuesday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 2 feet or less. Winds and waves higher and near thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, until 5:15 p.m. At 1:11 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an update on the emergency action notification. The situation involving the Chinese jets have worsened. Now reports of Russian and North Korean jets dropping bombs on not only the Air Force bases, but the Army bases and the naval bases. This is a very dark time. For your safety, please continue to shelter in place. This is another update to the emergency action notification. The Chinese, Russians and North Koreans have now landed troops on U.S. soil. If one of these troops enter your shelter, use armed force, which includes lethal force. The U.S. Armed Forces are trying their best to contain the situation. Continue to shelter in place.